Hey everyone, so are you tired of video shoots and costly photo shoots for your product showcases? So today in this video, I'm excited to show you TopView Product AnyShoot. So this is an AI-powered tool that lets you fit any product anywhere, really. And this is perfect for try-ons and product showcases. So now there's no need of expensive shoots, and let's dive in and see how it works. You can see you can navigate to topview.ai. So this is AI marketing videos that drive business success and 100% AI generated videos. So you can see product avatar, product AnyShoot, and final video. So here you can see they have different AI tools, including product avatar, product AnyShoot, AI avatar, materials to video, URL to video, AI talking photo, and more. But in this video, we are going to discuss about the product AnyShoot. So we can navigate to this one. Now product AnyShoot, so it can fit any product anywhere, perfect for try-ons as I told you, and product showcases with AI. So you can see here, like you can fit clothing, footwear. See how it fit, like this cat will fit here in this product, and this dog will fit here, see. And same, you can see this furniture sofa will, like you can see this refrigerator. So everything you can easily do here. So dashboard, and you can sign up. You can, if you want, you can continue with Google or your Apple ID. So but I will go with this Gmail ID and sign up. So they will send one verification code. So that verification code you need to type here. Just visit your email address inbox and just copy and paste the code here. So once you copy and paste the code, then it will ask you to type password. So you can type here, enter your name, and finish. Click on finish. And you can see now we are in our dashboard, where we can see different things like avatar marketing video avatar, and select all your use cases. Before this, like you can tell that we are doing for social media content, and continue, and I'm self-employed personal user. And how did you hear about us? From the, for example, articles, blogs. Continue and get started. Now I was telling you that we can see different AI creation tools. You can see like avatar marketing video avatar, product AnyShoot, and photo avatar. And in this video, as we are going to discuss about the product AnyShoot, so fit any product anywhere, we will use this one. Now you can see here, like click or drag to upload product image here, and click to upload target image, or you can select from the public templates. So first of all, you can upload here product image. So we can click here or drag to upload. So in the desktop, I have, for example, this necklace product. So you should have this, your product image. So once you upload the product image, it is removing the image background if necessary. So you can see it is uploaded, and click to upload target image. If you have target image, you can upload, or you can select from public templates. So we will select from public templates first, and I will show you, like here you can see different products. You can see images, like if you have makeup, watch, gloves, you can see pet products, headphones. So you can replace your product with these images. And you can see here one of them is necklace. So if I click necklace, because my product is necklace and I want that my necklace should fit, for instance, like you know, there are different images, so we can try anyone, for example this one, and use. So now you can see brush thickness, you can see, and generating count too. So here you can see, now we need to tell them if I click for example on generate, so it will say the model image mask cannot be empty. So please mark the area that needs changes after. So this, you can mark the area, for example this one, this area, if we mark, and now if we click on generate, so it will take few seconds, and the area that we have marked, our product will place there. Because in the previous step we saw the images of these models with necklaces, but here when we selected the image, it is without the necklace, and now we have marked the area and our product image will be fit here. So this is the simple process, simple step. You can see it is generating. So you will have to wait few seconds, and the product image will be ready. It's incredible. See, now you can see the image is ready, and if I click here, so see, my necklace has been fit here. See, it looks stunning and beautiful. So see, without photo shoots and video recordings, so we have fit the image here, you can see, and image to video also you can see here. So now you can see a woman prompt is also there, and if you want, so you can with a stoking emerald pendant necklace, quickly adjust the necklace to showcase. It's up to you, and settings also. So image to video also, if you want, you can. So this is also great. Till then, I will show you another. For example, if we go to product AnyShoot, and this time we will upload, for example, this image, and this time we will upload target image, and target image also I will create using an AI tool, and this is called piclumen.com. You can generate for free here, and this tool also I have in my playlist. You can see here it is appearing here in the video, so you can navigate to this top right side link, Piclumen, and you can also learn about this tool. So and sign in. So we will navigate to the create section, and here we will type something like a kitchen with refrigerator and some other kitchen equipments. Press Ctrl plus Enter. And you can see it is generating very fast. So within few seconds we will have our own image, and it looks amazing. See, so we can use this one, or if you want, like kitchen with refrigerator and some other kitchen equipments. So if you are satisfied, you can download this one, or if you want more, so more options, so you can also generate more options. For example, this one if you want, and or for example this one, it's up to you which one you want to select. You can select and you can download it from here, and it is downloading now, downloaded, sorry. And here now the product image we selected, this, I uploaded this refrigerator image, and this time we will upload target image, and it is in the downloads that we generated from another AI tool. So now I will mark the area that I want should be replaced with my product, and then click on generate. So it will take few seconds. And the product, our product will be fit there. So this is an incredible tool. I'm honestly speaking, I really inspired with this tool, because this tool allow me to generate my product advertisement images, easily. Now it will take few seconds, so I will pause the video and will resume it once it completes. So you can see, incredible, see, amazing. The image was this, and our product image was this, and our product image has now been fit here, replaced with this refrigerator. You can see this is our image. This is our product image, and it has been fit there. If we want, we can download it, and it is downloaded, so we can open it and see. Once it open in the photos, so you can see everything is here without watermark, and it looks stunning. And now if you want, you can go to image to video, and a dynamic kitchen scene showcasing a stainless steel refrigerator with motion lenses highlighting its features. See, the prompt is here, creativity standards. And so if you want, so you can go to image to video, and your current plan 10 credits per month. So if you want, you can upgrade this plan. Okay, so you can upgrade and you can use this one. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video, and now you can see we have generated some product images, and we can use them in our projects, in our advertisement purpose. For the purpose of advertisement, we can use them, and it is a really easy process. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends, so they can learn and they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.